shoot, boy. I just fell to my death. What is that? Oh shoot, that's a button, bro.
3? Okay, good. I want to be at first try, because I don't want to go back all through those cycles. Wait, oh, wait. Oh, you go up. It's this way. It's a bit under-decorated. I feel like... I'm surprised this was highlighted, honestly. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool, but like, I don't know. These are just first impressions. I'm being too harsh on it. Oh, okay, the OST's amazing. That's a good start. That's quite a difficult jump. As a tedious jump right there. I nearly failed. Then before that we had Summit. Another. Oh, that's it?